Abaramajaba bakirwa abaturo ku rugo mu district ya Kasese kandi babakira mu nyakira y'umutano erimu no kwishongora ibishongoro by'enzarwa. Right Reverend Francis Chibira or Bishop wa Diocese ya Kasese nuwakuriro kwakira abaramajaba barijuro mu yanga ya Kongo kandi asimire Bishop wa Diocese ya Butembo Beni Right Reverend Melchiades Sikuri Paruku ahabo kwikiriza abaramajaba kwija kubegitaho obwe Diocese ya Kasese rukuza kwebembere mu kore kujaguza kiro cy'abajurizi ba Uganda aharina mugunga biroshatu byo kwezi kwa mukaga
abapirigiri musibetu abarwa mu Diocese ya Butembo Beni kano ebendereno ikabahambaya nikaminyikalo. I am here to welcome in a very special way Bishop Sikuri Melchisedek of Butembo Beni Diocese, who has sent us pilgrims on foot, who will go with our own pilgrims on foot from here until Namugongo to celebrate 3rd June 2026.
Bishop Chibira yagaruka yasima Bishop Sikuri abo kubasindikira bikirizigana mu bwata barumunu batendekwa kwija kweshongora n'abakasesa na mugongo.
We'll be sending so many pilgrims who will come with buses to join us in Namugongo. I'd like to thank Bishop of Butembo Beni, Bishop Melchisedek Sikuri, for also giving us 100 Christians from his diocese who are already training in the choir to join our choir at Namugongo.
Reverend Father Christopher Safari wabayibembira abaramajaba ku rugumyangare ya Kongo yasima Diocese ya Kasese hamwe na government ya Uganda ahabo kubikiriza kuija kubegitaho mu kujaguza kiro cy'abajurizi ba Uganda na Mugongo.
Kutambulisha kuonesha imani yetu tunayo kwa Yesu Kristo tunayemfuata. Sisi ni mashahidi wa Yesu. Yesu kundani mwetu pia kundani ya kila Mkristo. Tunaenda kutambulisha imani yetu tukifuata nyayo njia za mashahidi wa Uganda.
Bishop Chibira yahendera ari kusima government abo kwikiriza Bishop Sekuri ngo amwegiteho abiroshatu byo kwezi kwa mukaga aharina mugongo.
And finally, I have to thank the Bishop himself. On the 3rd of June 2026, he will be on my side and we celebrate together the Holy Eucharist of the Uganda Matters Day celebration at Namugongo. I thank him so much and I ask that the Holy Spirit continue to guide us.
Diocese ya Kasese niyo kwija kwebembere mu kore kujaguza kiro cy'abajurizi ba Uganda aharina mugonga abajuri b'Abakristo gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.